Vanakkam friends, this is our first video in 2022. Today we are going to discuss about the forecast for the year 2022 and ahead of that. Before going into the video, I would like to request and thank every one of you to be part of our YouTube family. Also, I would request you to forward our YouTube links if you feel that it is worth. If you don't feel that our analysis is not worth, it is not necessary to forward. But if you feel that our analysis is worth for and you are learning something from our YouTube video regarding markets, please forward it to your friends and relatives, whoever is interested in markets. Let them also learn. So now for this I have opened Nifty charts for analyzing what we can expect during the next year. I have opened Nifty chart and the time frame which I have put here is monthly time frame. Why? Because we are analyzing for the year. We are not analyzing for intraday, or we are not analyzing for a week or a month. We are analyzing for a year. So I have placed a monthly time frame for this chart. Over here I have added the 20 SMA. This red line is the 20 SMA which I have included. SMA or DMA, whatsoever it may be. And the high which has been made recently, that is 18604 is the high. And the recent swing low is 16,410. This is the recent swing low. These two I have taken into consideration, and along with that I have marked this particular level, which is 12,430, just because that is the previous stop which we have had before the COVID-19 fall. I am completely ignoring this particular fall and this particular raise. Why? Because it is happened due to the pandemic situation. There is nothing technical involved in it. So I am completely ignoring this particular 8 months or 7 to 8 months move. Why? Because it is completely not related to technicals. So now let us see how it has performed over the past years. You can miss any pattern in index or stock or whatever you are trading, but never miss a flag and pole pattern. Why? Because it will deliver you consistent returns, and the returns will be massive. Just see how it has delivered in this past. This is the pole and this is the flag. Upon breakout, this length of the pole will be the target. Almost it has achieved here, and again once again we are seeing the same scenario here and the same scenario again over here. So now this particular year we are expecting some consolidation within the range between this particular high 18605 and the low of 16410. Either side breakout or breakdown will fetch you maybe 4 to 5% move on whichever direction it gives breakdown or breakout. In the meantime, what will happen is this particular 20 SMA will be keep on rising month on month, day by day. As of now, it is at 14,117. Sorry, 174. This will keep on rising like this, and somewhere in near like 15,000 or 15,500 or levels, it will come and coincide with the breakdown, if at all, if it is happening. If you closely observe this particular area, Nifty has broken the 20 moving average of monthly time frame. That is because of Lehman crisis 2008. From there on, it has broken the 20 SMA only once or twice. Probably it might be due to some news factor. This particular thing we all very well know that it is due to COVID situation and lockdown across the world. Entire world was facing trouble during those particular time. So I assume that this particular level will come and meet somewhere near 15,000, wherein there will be a breakdown as the particular level, and it may test 15,500 levels probably near 20 SM. This is just a forecast, it will not be accurate. But if breakdown comes, I said already, you will see a minimum 5% move. So if 16,400 is broken, minimum 5,000 5% move will easily take it to 15,800 odd levels, 15,800 or 15,700 levels. So in the meantime, it will also, this 20 SMA will also keep rising and it will coincide at one point. From there on, the move will start. Probably by end of the year, we could break this high and move another 3 or 4% from that particular level, maybe around 19,500 odd levels, approximately to that levels. So this is what we are forecasting to happen in markets during this 2022. All these things will be happening if and only there is no major news which is impacting markets. If there is any major news like what we have seen previous, only then the situation will change, or else this will happen definitely. And if that pole and flag pattern breaks out on the higher side, never miss the rally on Nifty. Why? Because it is from 12,400 odd levels to 18,600, which is almost a 6,000 point move. On the upside, if you calculate 6,000 points, it will be easily 24,000. So never miss that kind of move. Keep continuing your SIPs, whatever you do in markets. If not, at least start from now. Markets will move only on the higher direction in the larger time frame. There is no possibility of markets going down on a larger time frame. You can see this chart and it is very clear and evident. See from where we have started and where we are now. Markets will move only on the higher side in a larger time frame. Nobody can stop it. Until and otherwise, we are going to shut markets. So understand it clearly and act accordingly. I will give you one best pick, with best in the sense it will deliver returns. At the same time, when a fall comes, it will fall less. I'll give you one best suggestion which you can start as SIPs from now on for next 24 months. I bet the stock will double from here. HDFC Bank. Same scenario, I have taken the chart and just added the 20 simple moving average. You will not find HDFC Bank sustaining below 20 moving average on a monthly time frame at any cost. Over here it has sustained just because of Lehman crisis, and over here it has sustained just because of COVID pandemic. Last couple of days back, I have seen few interviews in TVs saying that ICICI Bank is in verge of taking the first position from HDFC Bank. No way it will happen. No way it will happen. Even if it happens, it will not sustain. I am damn sure about it. HDFC Bank is HDFC Bank forever. No one can replace HDFC Bank in Indian markets. I bet with anyone on this. Definitely, it is not going to happen. Let me prove it with you. This blue color line is the ICICI Bank chart. See the kind of returns what HDFC Bank has delivered and what ICICI Bank has delivered. Since 2003, I have taken the charts. Since 2003, as of last close on 31st December 2021, HDFC Bank has delivered a massive returns of 6,142 percentage, whereas ICICI Bank has given a returns of only 2,616%. This is what HDFC Bank will do. You might have seen my reviews in markets, especially in line with Bank Nifty. I trust HDFC Bank blindly. Blind trust. I have blind trust on HDFC Bank. There is no compromise. There is no compromise for HDFC Bank in Indian markets. If market has to move, this guy has to perform. And if this fellow is going to perform, you will see Bank Nifty above 50,000 in next 1 year. At present, we are at 35,000. We will see Bank Nifty at 50,000 or above 50,000 within next 1 year if this guy is going to perform. And to add on, I have said that I have seen some information in view in TV that ICICI Bank is going to overtake HDFC Bank, and it has delivered nearly 35 to 40% of returns in 2021, whereas HDFC Bank has delivered only 1% returns throughout the year. He is a sleeping giant. HDFC Bank is literally a sleeping giant. If he starts waking up, nobody can stop him. Even God will fail against HDFC Bank when he starts performing. This is the quote which I usually say to my members in my free channel as well as in my Telegram channel. HDFC Bank will stay as HDFC Bank forever. No matter who is the CEO, who is the CFO, etc., etc. But he will perform. Chart show. See, you need not trust me, trust my words, but see what is the chart showing to you. He has delivered 6,100. Where is 6,100 and 2,600? More than 150% what ICICI Bank has delivered. This is how it will be. Start your SIPs in HDFC Bank at least from now on. Continue it for next 24 months. It will be an asset for your next generation. If you want to book profits, you will see HDFC Bank doubling from here. I mean to say, the current market price is 1479. Definitely it will be a 3,000 rupee stock by end of 2023. That's it. So we are done with the analysis for 2022, and I have given a beautiful pick which could double from here, and even if it falls, the fall will be only minimal. Worst case scenario, it can go to 1,000. That's it. From here, 40% will be your 35 to 36% will be your loss if it falls. But on the higher side, it has a potential of growing 100%. I would say if it drops 30%, just load that particular stock in your portfolio as much as you can. As much in the sense, whatever the fund availability with you at that particular time, you can add this particular stock. Have a good day. See you all in my next video. Bye.